Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. In today's episode, we will listen to one of Aesop's most famous fables. It's called The Fox and the Grapes. This story is short but full of wisdom, and it teaches us about human behavior when we cannot get what we want. Let's listen carefully. One hot summer's day, a fox was walking through a vineyard. He saw some bunches of ripe, juicy grapes hanging from a tall vine. The grapes looked delicious, and the fox's mouth began to water. He wanted them badly. He jumped high into the air, but he could not reach the grapes. He tried again and again, but every time he failed. Finally, tired and frustrated, the fox gave up. As he walked away, he said to himself, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway." Okay, let's go through the key vocabulary and expressions from this story. I will also give you practical examples so you can use them in daily life. Keyword: vineyard. A place where grapes grow, often used to make wine. In the story, the fox was walking through a vineyard. Example: France is famous for its vineyards. In real life, we visited a vineyard during our holiday. Next keyword: bunch. A group of things held together, like a bunch of grapes or a bunch of flowers. Example: she bought a bunch of bananas at the market. Next keyword: ripe. Ready to eat, fully developed. In the story, ripe, juicy grapes. Example: the mango is ripe and sweet. Next keyword: juicy. Full of juice. Often used for fruit or even to describe interesting gossip. Example: this is a juicy orange. Slang example: she told me a juicy secret. Next word: mouth began to water. This phrase means feeling hungry when seeing delicious food. In the story, the fox's mouth began to water. In real life, the smell of pizza made my mouth water. Next keyword: tired and frustrated. Feeling exhausted and annoyed after trying hard but failing. Example: he was tired and frustrated after studying for hours without understanding. Next keyword: give up. To stop trying because something feels too hard. In the story, the fox gave up. In real life, don't give up on your dreams. Finally, sour grapes. This phrase comes directly from this story. It means pretending that something you wanted is not good just because you couldn't have it. Example: he said the job wasn't good anyway, but that's just sour grapes because he didn't get it. So, what do we learn from this story? The fox couldn't reach the grapes, so he pretended they were sour. This shows a common human behavior. When we fail, we often criticize what we couldn't achieve, instead of admitting we wanted it. The moral of the story is clear. It is easy to despise what you cannot have. Thank you for listening to today's story. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson.